Dad, look at that robot. Wow, it can walk and talk.
That does look interesting.
Dad, can we please buy it?
That toy looks expensive.
But Dad, it is so cool.
Do you really need it, Leo?
I do not need it, but I really want it.
You already have many toys at home.
But none like this one.
Wanting something is normal, Leo. But we should think carefully before buying.
Please, Dad, just this one time.
Not today, Leo.
Why did Dad say no? I really liked that robot. Maybe Dad does not understand. Everyone at school gets new things. Wow, is that a new bag?
Yes, my old one was torn.
Her zipper was broken too.
I needed a new one for school.
Needed.
Leo, you have been very quiet today.
Dad, why was Mia allowed to get something new?
Because she needed it.
And my robot.
You wanted it because it looked fun.
That is true.
There is nothing wrong with liking toys.
Then why say no?
Because sometimes we must learn to wait.
Even if we really want something?
Yes. Waiting helps us understand what is truly important.
Wow, Leo. Your room looks clean.
I found many toys I forgot about.
You see?
I think I already have enough toys.
Leo, I have something for you.
For me? Dad, the robot!
Yes.
But you said no.
I wanted you to understand something first.
About wants and needs?
Exactly.
I understand now.
And now this toy will feel more special.
Yes, it really does. Today we learned 1. Do you really need it? 2. I really want it. 3. We should think carefully before buying. 4. Everyone gets new things. 5. My old bag was torn. 6. Sometimes we must learn to wait. 7. Waiting helps us understand. 8. I already have enough toys. 9. I understand now. 10. This toy feels more special now. New words we learned. Need, want, expensive, broken, torn, carefully, important, enough, understand, special.